All right, everybody, it's Dave with Sell House Columbus. I'm here at the closing table with yet another seller, Mr. Tom. Good to see you again.
It was a fantastic situation with you, Dave.
Excellent. We're buying another home, and we are here at the closing table. And Tom, how did you first hear about Sell House Columbus?
I got a postcard in the mail and follow up on it, and you guys were right on top of it. One of your agents named Jonathan called me within the next day, and things happened very well from there.
Excellent. You're pretty happy to be getting rid of the house. The house needs a little bit of work and whatnot. We didn't make you do any work to the house or anything like that. We bought it as is, right?
As is. I tell you what, it was a clean hands situation. Because of my medical situation, Dave and his agent Jonathan made it a very easy situation.
We came to you. I sat on your couch. We got this thing done. You've been a pleasure to work with, though. But we're happy to do business with local people here in the community in Columbus, and that's what we do. We buy houses in any condition, any situation. So last thing, what would you say to somebody else who maybe has a house that needs some work and they just want to sell it quick and easy?
Well, I'll tell you what, I recommend these two individuals, Dave and Jonathan. They made it very easy for me to do. I'm happy. We negotiated the price very easily. Didn't not much negotiation. It was a fair price, and I'm very happy with the situation. And I'd recommend anybody that wants to sell their house, you talk to Dave or Jonathan.
Let's do it. Well, if you got a house you want to sell, you can find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com, or pick up the phone. Call us 24 hours, 7 days a week, 300-5151. I'm Dave Payerchin. This is Tom, and we'll see you on the next video.
Call these guys.